You search how to buy shares of Componenta Oyj. Componenta is a Finnish industrial manufacturer of cast metal and machine components listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CTH1V.HE, and this brief guide is educational and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CTH1V.HE. Then select the matching Componenta Oyj listing to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Make sure the name, market CBOE EU, and ticker CTH1V.HE match before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, and check if you are buying fractional or whole shares, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft CTA. Follow the same steps using the link in the description if you wish to try the process.